Hey ladies and gents, how's it going y'all? Sparking Mark 23 here, coming to you live. How's it going y'all? Man, it's been 2 days since my birthday. I'm about to make a video yesterday, but heck, I had a great birthday, got myself a cool shirt, and so anyway, get down to the nitty gritty, man, to the nitty greasy, not greasy, heck, to the big finale. It's coming, y'all, it's coming. What's coming tomorrow? Avengers 4 EndGame. Wow, man, I can't believe it. I mean, after waiting for so damn long, I mean, it can't get any better. I mean, it could not get better than this. I mean, who isn't excited for Avengers 4? Who isn't? I mean, who isn't excited for Avengers 4? I know I'm very excited because I mean, well, it's the book and it's coming. So with that, I'm going to do a little review for a G-Shock piece. And this one is particularly representing of one of the Avengers here. Now, from the title you're about to read, you know very well it's going to be what's going to be for this piece. What is it? What is it? Open up the lid. And what is this, y'all? You know the colors. This is the IronMan piece. Look at that piece, y'all. Look at it. Man, practically goldish, but, well, not like gold, but it's kind of like gold. Bronze color and red, ruby red. I can't even tell, but this is IronMan written in it. And look at the module number 5146. Very authentic. I mean, look at this, man. This has IronMan written everywhere. Except there's no, like, how you say, backlight to see IronMan's face. So, yeah. I mean, well, at least you have the body. This is screaming IronMan right in front of you. So, yeah. So, I'm very excited to wait for the film, but I'm not seeing it tomorrow. I'm going to see it on Sunday with a few of my homies, with a few dozen of my homies and homegirls to see the film. And also, word of advice for those who collect G-Shocks or want to get your hands on a certain piece. And there's also another piece out there, not of this model, but a different one, the GDX 56 Captain America edition, which is representing the colors of the USA, kind of like the one on that, and the one that was played by that's played by Chris Evans right there. So yeah, it's gonna represent the color and for an extra large G-Shock. And so, but word of advice for the collectors out there: beware of the fakes. That's all I'm saying, because for the record, anybody gonna collect a G-Shock representing one of the Marvel comic heroes, look at the letterings, also the eye candies, like right here, and the numbers. Very, very carefully, how do they operate? Because don't ever mix up the real ones for a fake. If you see a fake for a very cheap price, look at it very carefully, man, and know the details, what doesn't fit on a G-Shock. And always look for the back plate. I mean, I'll provide you some videos from my buddy, the Travel 600, also known as G-Shock Go. Check him out in his videos. And he's been doing comparison reviews between which is the real G-Shock and which is the fake. What does the real do that the fake doesn't? And that's all I'm saying, y'all. I mean, you're not going to get swindled getting a fake. I mean, you're going to get swindled, but you're not going to get swindled getting the real deal. So, this is what you're getting. You want to get this, but I'm not going to wear this piece. I'm wearing my my Avengers shirt. So, anybody excited for that? Let me know in the comments down below. I mean, really, let me know, because this is a crazy film. I mean, it's going to be extravaganza. It's going to be like high hopes, high, man. It's going to go off the easy, y'all. Off the easy. So, yeah. Anybody excited for Avengers 4, man? Let me know, because man, oh man, I mean, I know I've been hyped since I've been hearing about it. I mean, I first saw this one with a few of my homies years ago when it came out. Here is that I saw with another homie 4 years ago. This one I saw with a group of my friends last year. And we cannot wait for the fourth one. It's going to be extravaganza, very high hopes. So, yeah. I mean, I can't believe we're getting Avengers 4 now. So, for the record, ladies and gentlemen, I like some of the Marvel films, but I do not like the ones that I did not like. For instance, take Iron Man 2. That was written by an actor turned writer, Justin Thorax, and man, oh man, that's bad. I didn't even like it. I don't know, they didn't have the sense of humor in it or anything that we've seen in the first film. Then there's Thor 2, The Dark World. I didn't get no response with that movie. Thanks to a homie of mine, told me that it didn't have the humor in it, and it hardly made any sense, really. And also another film that I despise from the trilogy, which is from another film, the third of the characters, Captain America. I mean, the first two, high response. But Captain America 3 Civil War, I didn't quite like it. Even though it made a lot of money, and may have some fans following, making the story follow-ups, but it wasn't. First off, introducing us to new characters and splitting up the team was not a good idea. Also, where was Nick Fury during the event in that movie? Really, where was he and Miss Hill at the time? Where was she? And also, the William Hurt character, General Ross turned secretary, is becoming more of an asshole that we saw in the 2008 film. But, anyway, he's going to come back for the fourth one. I hope he's not going to be punching heads with Dr. Banner. Maybe I hope. Maybe he taught a lesson, or maybe it was General Ross working with Thanos the whole time. That's a good theory. But anyway, the other thing of it is, I can't wait for the film. That's all I gotta say. I can't wait. And anyway, and I'll provide you a link for the Ted White autograph website and other link and the link for the Travel 600, aka G-Shock Go. So yeah, that's all we're gonna get in return, ladies and gentlemen. And let me know more about this movie because it's gonna go off the heezy, y'all. Go off the heezy. So I gotta say, y'all. So anyway, that's all you gotta know, folks. Excited for April 26th. Rock on with a G-Shock on. It's Sparky. Peace!